You take great pride, not just in your home, but in its surroundings too. As such, you want the very best in sheds, summer houses, fencing, gates, decking, playhouses, and so much more. Operating throughout East and West Sussex, this is RJ Meaker Fencing Ltd, leaders in all such things for domestic and commercial customers across the South. Fencing may be in the company name, but over 50 years of service, they've expanded into so many other areas, enabling people to transform their gardens and grounds in the most spectacular ways, also specializing in security, chain link, ironwork, weld mesh, and more. RJ Meaker Fencing Ltd truly has everything you need to make your outdoor area the very best it can be. Browse the website to find out more and to peruse the online catalogue and find out for yourself why RJ Meaker Fencing Ltd is the #1 choice for so many in the South.